Good morning class. In our previous video we have studied about exponents and now we are going further in exponents. Today we will study laws of exponents. Now there are three important laws we are going to study today. First is product law. First law is product law. It says when numbers are in exponent form with the same base, to get their product add their powers. Now it says when the numbers are in exponential form, okay, and you want to multiply them, you want to get their product, so add their powers. Like base is a and the power is m, base is a and the power is n. You want to multiply them, don't open them or break them, just add these powers, okay, m plus n. For example, a to the power 3 into a to the power 7. Base is same, remember this thing. So 3 plus 7, a to the power 10, answer. Now second law says quotient law. The same thing, when the numbers are in exponent form and one number is dividing the other one, if the base is same, then the powers this time will subtract each other. But how? The power which is greater, that will subtract the smaller power. For example, here if m is greater and n is smaller, then we can write a to the power m minus n. This n will go up when m is greater than n. And if n is greater than m, that is m is less than n, then this m will come down. So 1 upon a to the power n minus m. For example, here x to the power 5 divided by x to the power 3. Now 5 is greater in the numerator upon x to the power 3. So it will be x to the power 5 minus 3, that is x to the power 2, answer. Now one more example children, if the power in the denominator is big. So 15a square divided by 5a 10. Now this time 5 ones are 5 and 5 threes are 15. So 5 ones are 5 and 5 threes are 15. So 3 in the numerator and this power 2 will come down. So a to the power 10 minus 2. The answer will be 3 upon a to the power 8. And now third law. Third law is our power law. When it is like this, there is a base to the power m and one more power outside the bracket, means when a number is in index form and it is raised to another index, then the base is raised to the product of these two indices. Means you will open the bracket and you will multiply these two powers. Did you get my point? Now understand it with the help of an example. A to the power 3 bracket and again there is a power 6. Now you will remove the bracket and it will be a to the power 3 into 6, a to the power 18. I hope these laws are clear to you. Now some more things we'll learn about indices. If there are two numbers a and b in bracket and the power is m, when the bracket will be open, this power will be on both of them. Okay, a to the power m and b to the power m. Similarly, in case of division also, a upon b combined raised to the power m, and when we remove the bracket it will be a to the power m upon b to the power m. Second things, if any number is there, a non-zero number, that is a is not equal to 0, any number you have got the power 0, its value is always 1. Its value is always 1, means it is not at all repeating itself at all. Now negative index, when a number is having a negative power, when a number is having a negative power, a is not equal to 0, let me remind you. Then to make it positive, bring this number down, 1 upon a to the power m. Here it was negative, in the denominator it will turn to positive, and if it is negative in denominator, then take it into numerator. Okay. And also children, this is root a. It can be written as a to the power 1 by 2. This is under root a 5. So it can be written as a to the power 5 by 2. And here can you see a small 3 is here. So this is a to the power 1 by 3. And now general formula, whatever number is here, a is in the root, so it will be a to the power 1 by n. I hope these laws are clear to you. Now we are starting exercise 5b, question number 2. First one is very easy, you can do it yourself, just 2 blanks are there. Now question number 2, evaluate. First part, 2 to the power 3 divided by 2 to the power 8. So what will be, children? Power is bigger in the denominator. Okay, so 3 will come down. It will be 1 upon 2 to the power 8 minus 3, that is 5, and when you will solve it, you will get 32. Now next one, 3 to the power 0 bracket then 6. When this bracket will open, this 6 will be multiplied to 0 and 6 zeros are 0 and 3 to the power 0 is 1. Just now we have studied this fact. Now in the third part, 5 to the power 4 multiplied by 5 to the power 3 divided by 5 to the power 5. Now I follow BODMAS, children. 5 to the power 4 multiplied by 5 to the power 3 divided by 5 to the power 5. Now first divide. So this 3 will come down. So 5 minus 3. So 5 to the power 4 upon 5 to the power 2. And now this 2 will go up. So 5 to the power 4 minus 2. That is 2. Answer is 25. I hope this is clear to you. Please copy them down. And now I will teach in further video.